Hey guys, so I had a great question from a group member who is engraving out these dance team tags and is losing the center of her A's. And that's a very typical thing to happen when you're engraving because a laser doesn't stop right when it should all the time. It's actually crossing over, and that's a very small A. Now, this is a different letter type or typeface or font. But it's going to have the same issue where it is going to, when it engraves all these really thin parts, if the beam is too wide, is going to just disintegrate these teeny tiny pieces. So I want to show you how to avoid that. How can we increase the size of these pieces so that we don't blow them out when we're engraving? And we're going to do that through our design tools. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to convert this text to a path. That is going to make it so that each one of these pieces is different. Now I can't retype anymore once I've converted it to a path, so I've got to wait until I've got it set where I want it before I actually convert to path. Once I've done that though, I can grab the inside of this A, the inside of this A, and let's grab the inside of this D as well. And I'm just going to go over here to my offset tool. That's this guy right here. And I'm going to do an outward offset. Let me get this over here so you guys can see it. Let's do an outward offset. Obviously, 1/2 inch is going to be way too big. For this specific one, I might go 0.01, maybe 0.02, maybe 0.03. What I'm doing is I'm watching it get a little bit bigger here. Let's go for, whoops, that goes. So clicking up on your arrows goes too far. Let's do 0.05 and go, okay. So once I've done that, now I can go here and I can just delete the centerpiece, which it was our original hole for that A and hole for the D. And now we've got a little bit wider of a space where the engraver or laser can go through and not quite, destroy all these, won't take all these little bitty pieces out. So if I retype this right now, can't type apparently, we can see the difference between the two. I'll do a quick overlay here. So this brown is the original. Oh, I did forget the end. This brown is the original, right? Interior piece, and with that offset, I made it just a little bit bigger. That's going to make engraving a little bit easier. Hope this helps someone.